test is broken. My score is gone. Hey! You did this. I got 100 points. I wanted to show Mom and Dad. I know you did it, me. Hey, Ben, calm down. No, I am very angry. Go away, Mimi. Ha. Go away. Do not come back. Ben is very angry. What is on the floor? Maybe Mimi did it.
I'm home, kids. Where is Mimi?
Dad, Mimi broke my math test.
Did you see Mimi do it?
No, I did not. I see water next to Mimi.
This is very strange. Let us check the camera. Look! The wind did that.
Oh no! The cup is falling!
I see. Mimi saved your homework from water, but she broke it.
Oh my God! I was wrong. Mimi! Where are you? Mimi! Come home! Oh, excuse me. Did you see an orange cat?
Yes. I saw an orange cat run to the park.
Let's go to the park. Oh no! Mimi is not here. We must look for Mimi. Mimi, where are you? Hey! I hear a dog.
Meow!
I hope she's here. Mimi! Oh my God, Mimi! Leave the cat alone! Look out, it's him! Oh wow, he's fast. There he goes. Come on, let's keep running. You are safe now. Oh no, you are not Mimi. We need to keep looking. Mimi, where are you? I hope you are safe.
Help! Save the cat! Hurry! The cat is in the river!
Oh no, Mimi! Ben, wait! No! It cannot be Mimi! Ben, stay calm. We do not know yet. I hope that is not you.
It is a toy cat. It is not a real cat.
Oh, it is not Mimi. Mimi is still out there. Come on. We need to find her. Mom! Dad! I cannot find Mimi.
Mimi is near our home.
I am so sorry. We will look again tomorrow.
We will find Mimi together.
I want to see Mimi again. I want to say sorry.
Ben, get your clothes and take a shower.
Yes, Mom. Mimi? Mimi. I am so sorry. Ha ha! You were here all the time. Mimi is safe.
Everything is okay now.
I got 100 points.
Great job, Ben.
Mimi is the best. Cute friends, give me a like, share, and subscribe to see more good videos.